Hello, my name is Karen Miller, and what you guys are seeing here today is some squash. I have some zucchini and some summer squash here. These yellow ones are the yellow summer squash and some zucchini. I'm grilling this slightly to do a very fun dish for you guys today. It's a spelt salad. So I'm going to have some spelt grain with some of this and some tomatoes and cucumbers and sweet peppers and mushrooms, and it's going to be fun. So I'm going to get this all browned and then I'm going to come back. So these are coming along. I sprinkled a bit of salt on those here and it's starting to get brown. See, it's starting to get brown here. So these are looking good, guys. I'm going to take these out and I'm going to put some portobello mushrooms on. So I'm putting my mushrooms now. These mushrooms are huge, these portobello mushrooms. I think I'm going to cut those in half when I'm doing the salad because they're really big. So we're going to get this going and then we're going to get our salad together because I have everything else. I'm going to do some bell peppers, but I'm going to do the bell peppers raw. You can grill the peppers as well, but I'm going to do it raw. I'm also going to do some cucumbers. So here I have the spelt grain. This is what it looks like. This is after it's soaked and cooked. This is what it looks like before it's soaked overnight and cooked. I chopped up some grape tomatoes here, cut them in half, some diced yellow bell peppers, and I also have some cucumbers here, some Kirby cucumbers. I shaved off the skin. You can leave the skin if you want. I have some parsley here, and of course our zucchini and yellow squash that we were grilling on the stove. So let's put our salad together. So we're gonna put our zucchini in there and yellow squash. We're gonna have a lot more veggies in here than the spelt grain. My cucumbers, my yellow bell peppers that I diced, my tomato. So you know, a salad is nothing without that dressing. So we're going to do a really fun dressing. So when I get back, we're going to do our dressing. So guys, we're going to do a very simple basic dressing. I'm going to use some chickpea miso paste here, some ginger, some limes, and some grapeseed oil, some salt and cayenne pepper. That's it. I'm going to use the bowl, the same bowl that I had the squash in. I'm going to add some oil. The recipe will be on my website. I'm going to add some oil, about quarter cup of oil, because we have quite a bit of salad here. And the miso paste. This is really going to give the dressing some body. The miso paste. The lime juice. So I'm going to do all of that, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to grate the ginger in there. I'm going to add the lime juice, and we're going to take it from there. I'm grating the ginger on the microplane. I told you guys you need to get one of those so you can grate your ginger. See, it's in the back here, and then I knock it on the bowl. I'm thinking of putting some coconut amino in this as well. So I have all of my ingredients here: the ginger, the miso paste, the oil, the lime juice. I'm gonna mix this in. Some cayenne pepper, some Himalayan salt. I have my coconut amino here that I think, I'm going to put a few dashes of that. It's a bit sweet and it's going to balance it out a bit. So you see, this is a really thick sauce. So it's really gonna stand up to that spelt, and you need a thick sauce like this for the spelt. So let's put this into our salad and mix it in. So guys, here we have our beautiful salad. It's so colorful. Can't forget the mushrooms, right? I'm going to also add some cranberries, some dried cranberries. You could use raisins if you want. I'm using the dried cranberries. It gives it a really good balance. And some chopped parsley. This is so colorful. It's so beautiful. This is a great salad to do for the summer if you're having a party, you're having a dinner party or something. Now let's pour our dressing. I tasted the dressing and it's so good. It's so delicious. We're gonna pour this all over here. All over here, and then mix it in. This is so good, guys. This salad is so good. So good. So let's mix this in, guys. Mix it in and get it all together. This is the most beautiful salad. It's so tasty. All of your veggies. The zucchini is really good in there. The tomato, and then you have, again, if you don't have all of that stuff, you don't have to put, you can put some of it because there's so many things in here. Or you can add other things. So this is looking pretty good. This is so good, guys. So good. So good. I made this once before and I'm like, I gotta share this. So delicious. Alright, so it's my pleasure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, see you guys in the next video.